Welcome back, guys. The first thing we want to talk about are gems. Yes. So, what are gems? So, when you come to your Gemini right here, you see something like gems right here. So, what I'll tell you to do is to explore gems right here. So, gems, you have Gem Manager, they are pre-made by Google. You have different Gemini gems that are pre-made by Google that you could use. I'll show you some of the use cases of some of these pre-made gems. So far, Google has already pre-made 8 gems. So you have 8 gems pre-made by Google and you could use it for whatever you want to use it for. It could increase as time goes on, but then you could create your own gem as well. So you could create a new gem as well and you could share the gems with other. See gems as an agent. Yes, just like agent is to ChatGPT, because I know a lot of people are used to ChatGPT. That's why I'm referencing ChatGPT. Just like what GPTs are to ChatGPT, that is what gems are to Gemini. So they have the same approach, but most people don't know this. So you could create a new gem for yourself. You could use some of this pre-made gem. So what are gems exactly? So I could easily ask, what are gems in Gemini? What are gems in Gemini? So we could see what gems are. Like I've explained so far, it says they are pre-built or custom-made set of instructions that act as a specialized AI expert to streamline workflows and perform repetitive tasks. Users can create their own gem for specific needs, such as a workout coach, meal planner, or career advisor, or they can use Google's pre-made gems, Gems Tailor, Gems responses to provide expertise on particular topic. So gems are used to create repetitive tasks instead of typing the same detailed instruction every time. You create a gem with those instructions built in, saving time on repeated goals, or you will not be able to repeat goals. So provide custom expertise. Gems can be configured with specific instructions, files, or data to act as an expert in a particular area, such as marketing consultant or coding helper. Structure responses. You can set up a gem to constantly provide responses in specific formats, which is useful for structured data or consistent analysis. Tailor each interactions. Gems allow you to customize Gemini to your unique needs and preferences, making it more personalized and efficient AI partner. Like I said, Gemini is meant to assist you, and gems would help you do just that. So gems are very powerful when it comes to Gemini. When you create gems, you get a better result, improved results. So examples of gems, you see a marketing expert gem with specific brand guidelines and audience information. You see that? So this brings Gemini closer to your brand. For instance, if you're a marketing expert and you input your brand guidelines and audience information to Gemini, you get a better response. A meal planner gem that suggests recipes based on your diet preferences, a career coach Gemini to help with job related tasks, a readily body Gemini to recommend books based on your mood. So that is Gemini. That's how powerful it is. Use pre-made gems. Start with existing gems built by Google to explore their capabilities. Create your own. Go to the gems manager to build custom gems tailored to your needs. You can add instructions and even upload files to give your gem more context. Share your gems. Once created, you can share your custom gems with others, similar to how you share files in Google Drive. Those are gems for you. So we're going to see how to use gems. Of course, we're going to create a personalized gem. We're going to do some activity and that gem related. Then we are going to use some of these pre-made gems by Google. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.